let's do the unboxing for the Zotac. On the first look, the outside, the box is actually smaller than the previous 3060 Ti, especially the GDDR6X version. The 3060 Ti box is slightly larger. So on this box, we can see the 4060 Ti features the 8GB GDDR6, the iStorm 2.0 Spectra, FreezeTech, and Firestorm from Zotac. They have a new design on the box, and you can see some artwork over here. So without delay, let's get into business. And let's open up this box here and grab our card from the box. And here we can see they use a slight gray tone box for the card. So let's open it up. From here, the usual, there's a Zotac pack inside here. You will get some of the manuals. That's not really important. Okay, this is the card that we have been waiting for some time. Anti-static bag, and our hero of the day, the Zotac 4060 Ti. It features two fans. It's similar in size, and the shroud is made from plastic. From this side, we can see it's using a PCIe 8-pin, so there will be no problem if you are using the current Gen RTX 2.0. You only need one pin, so there's no problem. Since the power draw on this card is roughly less than 200 watts at maximum, and then you have a protector for your PCIe slot. And the back, you can see there's a Zotac logo here, and you have 3 display ports and 1 HDMI. This card will be 2 slots with a slight extension from the shroud. The fan should be enough to chill this whole card down. And for the chip, the whole circuit board, it takes up roughly 90% of the card, the length. And we have 2 heat pipes running over the left and right. The heatsink looks quite packed, so I assume the cooling on this will be very good. On the next video, of course, we'll test out the temperature inside enclosed casing and how good it will perform on 3D Mark. And here you go, the 4060 Ti. So this is the 8GB version. We will not be opening it for the time being. And you have a Zotac logo here. The back plate, of course, is metal. I hope it helps with the heat by little bit. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the next video on the benchmark.